Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MMEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line here is coming from. But that's actually where our first update comes into play, and this update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that watched yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 2 cents as a level of support, but now that the price is broken and closed below it, on any sort of bounces upwards, 2 cents would be that one of the newer areas of resistance. But before you even talk about and worry about doing battle with the 2 cent level, the first key hurdle that the bulls are going to need to cross back above is that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Same principle. This was a level of support going into today, but now that the price has broken below it and closed below it, that would also be considered an area of resistance. So the 2 key levels of resistance, again, to reiterate, going into next week, that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, and then up there at 0.02. What about areas of support? Key area of support that so far so good, is doing a good job of holding, is right here at, 0.0165. Going back through the history of the chart, you can see a whole bunch of times the bears have tried to press down through that level, both there, and then you fast forward to today, and they temporarily got the price down below it, but then the bulls snapped it back up, and you can see that once again the price is holding right around this area. So 0.0165 has proven to be a level of support in the past, and so far so good. It continues to be a level of support as it stands right now. Now, in the event the price cannot hold above it, then the next key area of support after that be down here at 0.0155. So it makes it easy. 0.0165, 0.0155, next couple of areas of support. So all in all, a pretty deep pullback today. We'll see if the bulls can build an overall higher base or not. So next week should be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.